Have you ever wondered how much YouTubers get paid for YouTube Shorts? In today's video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for my YouTube Shorts in April of 2024. Let's get into it. Okay, so I made a quick PowerPoint here. So in April, I got 73,000 views for my YouTube Shorts. My shorts got showed over 100,000 times in the YouTube Shorts feed, got me over 2,000 likes, gained me 150 subscribers. And just taking a look at my top shorts for April, as you can see, this short here got 17,000 views, this short got 14,000 views, 10,000 views, 9,000 views, and 8,000 views. Okay, so how much did I make from those shorts? Here you can see that YouTube paid me $9.94. Yeah, so that was the total amount that I had made just from the 73,000 views. I got $10 essentially. So don't get me wrong, I am thankful for any money that I'm actually able to make from YouTube. So that's not me totally complaining. And I've heard from other people it's still better than TikTok revenue, which I'm not too sure of because I'm not monetized on there. But here are my top earning shorts. This one I got paid $2.64 just for a short. And again, these are pretty easy to make. It doesn't take me longer than a couple minutes, to film it, to record it, and then to post it. So for me, pretty easy. Obviously, if you're going to put forth a lot of effort, it's going to take you longer, and you just got to acknowledge that if you get like 17,000 views for one of your shorts, you're still not going to get paid out that much in terms of revenue. I'm not sure how it works if you're got some sort of sponsorship or anything like that. But my next highest earning short got me $2.03. My third got me $1.39, and this one got 98 cents, and the last one got 96 cents. So not a lot of revenue coming in. Is it worth it? Now, just going back, you see that I did get like not 2,000 likes, and it gave me 150 subscribers. Now, do these subscribers necessarily watch your long form content? I'm not too sure yet. I'm still in the process of experimenting. And you can just see here on this slide, I uploaded 1, 2, 3, 4. So I uploaded a total of 4 shorts for the month of April, and was still able to generate this amount of viewership. Now, if I really scale it up, will I be getting more views, or will YouTube see that, oh wow, he's really ramping up production for YouTube Shorts? Maybe we shouldn't be promoting each of his shorts as much as we did in previous months. So just keep that in mind. I only uploaded 4 shorts, and like I said, got essentially $10 from the new shorts that I created and the shorts that I already have on the YouTube channel. So here is a quick snapshot of a couple of my top performing shorts for the month. So this short here, I got 28,000 views, got me 79 subscribers, and YouTube paid me $4.80, which is pretty fantastic. I'm not sure why this one didn't. Oh, okay, so this one I do believe was one of my older ones, and in total it got me $4.80. So these numbers that you are seeing here were just my revenue for April. These numbers that you're seeing here is the total amount that that short has earned me during the course of its lifetime. So these estimated revenue numbers might be higher. So this short got 17,000 views in total, gained me 40 subscribers, and YouTube ultimately paid me out $2.03. This one, 10,000 views, 17 subscribers, $1.41. This one here, 24,000 views, almost 25, got me 27 subscribers, and YouTube paid me out $3.07. So is it worth it? I'm still leaning towards yes. It's still generating traffic towards my channel, but if you guys are joining me from one of my YouTube shorts, let me know in the comment section below, just so that I can see, okay, so people that are watching my shorts are actually watching my long form content, and in which case it's making me realize, okay, maybe I should be focusing some more attention on producing YouTube shorts over some long form content, but still experimenting, and we're just going to be playing around with it and having a lot of fun. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.